Storms headed our way, huh?
Yeah, we do have some storms as tomorrow could be a little active here across portions of the state. Now, all of us are going to see rain or storms as this will be a big storm system, but it's a fast-moving system that's developing right on top of us. So just plan on having the threat of severe weather for tomorrow. Our storm trackers are going to be out, and the weather team will be here throughout the day tracking that line of thunderstorms that we do expect to develop. So today, plenty of clouds and wind. And there's going to be a lot of wind, some peaks of sunshine. Temperatures will be in the 70s. No problems. Even here this evening, no complications weather-wise. Nothing to worry about. Just windy and warm and pretty much dry. Here today and tonight, a spotty sprinkle or shower will be possible. Now, late tonight, northwest Oklahoma, showers and thunderstorms will develop into western Oklahoma by the time we get to tomorrow morning. A few of them could be severe. And then as they progress to the east, more showers and thunderstorms will develop and the severe weather threat will go up. The big question is, especially here across the metro, is as those storms develop out west, how quickly do they the coverage expand and the severe weather starts to break out. Some of the data says we might kind of hit the gap here across central Oklahoma up and down I-35 before the thunderstorms really get going here across eastern Oklahoma. And that's why I say some of us might not see much at all, as they could be scattered and not just a continuous line. Future next gen. Quiet here today, tonight, south winds, plenty of moisture around. Again, a couple spotty showers with that increasing moisture, especially from I-35 east. A couple isolated showers and thunderstorms late this evening into the evening hours. The lid in the atmosphere and the main system will not really bring that big lift in the atmosphere until first thing tomorrow morning. So there will be likely some scattered, better chances of rain across Kansas. And in that line of thunderstorms along a powerful cold front will start to develop 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Some strong thunderstorms, maybe an isolated severe storm out northwest and western half of the state. And then as that cold front marches to the east fairly quickly, a line of showers and thunderstorms will develop. But we're still dealing with a couple ingredients not all coming together quite yet. They're coming together, but they're not on top of each other yet. And once we get towards I-35 and east, they will. And so we'll kind of have a couple broken lines. One initial cold front and then maybe ahead of the cold front. And the ones ahead of the cold front could be the ones that are really severe with some high winds, hail, and a tornadic threat. So we'll just have to wait and see. Nonetheless, notice the north winds. That is snow mixed in with some cold rain across the panhandle in northwest Oklahoma Friday evening into Friday overnight. No accumulation is expected, but it just shows you the powerful nature of this storm system and some of the cold air. As here it comes, here rounding the bend across four corners, and this will be here tomorrow. 67 degrees, a south wind at around 15 to 25. Temperatures right now, upper 60s. A little bit of sunshine, eastern Oklahoma. You've made it up in the middle 70s. So a couple areas, low to mid 70s. Again, a couple more degrees because of the cloud cover. We really won't warm up too much more. A couple spotty showers off towards the east. Here this evening into most of the overnight, just warm, humid, south wind temperatures into the 60s, and a couple isolated thunderstorms could be stronger, severe late overnight into northwest Oklahoma. Otherwise, maybe a spotty shower. And then that broken line of thunderstorms starts to develop along that cold front tomorrow morning, mainly west and northwest of the metro. Our chances here across central Oklahoma will come in late morning to mid-afternoon. Okay, out west, a couple isolated gusty thunderstorms, a low chance of anything tornadic, and the hail threat looks fairly small. By tomorrow afternoon, cold front takes those 70s to 40 degrees, so noticeably colder tomorrow afternoon as that severe weather marches here across the metro late morning, early to mid-afternoon, into eastern Oklahoma during the afternoon. That's where the highest risk of severe weather, including tornadoes, will be. But still, a little low chance of some wind and hail and that quick spin up here across the metro as that wind and hail shift off towards the east, and so do those rain chances that'll diminish quickly by tomorrow evening. Cold by Saturday morning, temperatures into the upper 20s to middle 30s, so a hard freeze for parts of the state. We fall back an hour Saturday night into Sunday, and yeah, we're still seeing warm temperatures into the 70s next week.